Hi everyone, I am Manideep. Today I'll talk about a work ScatterMIMO that improves MIMO gain using a smart surface. Over the years, wireless speeds have increased exponentially. MIMO 802.11ac standard promises high data rate up to 1.7 gigabit per second, which is crucial for modern day applications like high-speed gaming and virtual reality. However, in physical reality, we rarely experience such high speeds. To make it worse, sometimes we don't even get any signal due to poor coverage. So what is the problem? To support high data rates, MIMO requires strong multipath, but indoor environment often creates weak multipath and it degrades the MIMO rank. In some cases, line of sight path is even blocked, creating dead spots with poor coverage. A solution to these issues is to use distributed MIMO with multiple access points, but that requires tight synchronization and an additional power supply. Here we ask the question, can we achieve similar performance without worrying about the synchronization issues? And more so, can we do it passively? We present Scatter MIMO, a smart surface that can achieve MIMO gains without having multiple APs. In a situation with weak multipath, the smart surface provides strong multipath in the user's direction, which in effect creates a virtual AP. As you can see, the smart surface contains multiple antennas with only phase shifters, which makes the smart surface passive. We show that scatter MIMO improves the MIMO throughput by 2 times and provides 1.5 times better coverage. Moreover, scatter MIMO can also support high user mobility. Finally, scatter MIMO can be seamlessly integrated in an indoor environment. You can hide it even behind a painting. Scatter MIMO has been featured in news articles, and here you can see me deploying the prototype in our lab. Let's get into some technical details. The first challenge for scatter MIMO is to achieve power comparable to the line of sight path in order to realize the MIMO gain. Consider a setup as shown here. The smart surface is placed at a distance of D1 from the AP. The user is present at a distance D lost from AP and D2 from the smart surface. The line of sight path power is inversely proportional to the square of the distance D loss, while the reflected path power is inversely proportional to squares of distance D1 and D2, which causes higher attenuation. The N antennas on the smart surface boost the reflected signal, providing a gain of N square. To understand how many antennas are required on the smart surface, let us look at the variation in signal strength with the number of antennas on it. Here, the direct path power is chosen at minus 60 dBm power level. A smart surface kept at a distance of 4 meter require approximately 400 antennas to achieve power comparable to direct path. But keeping the same smart surface at 50 centimeter from the AP, we can achieve the same power with merely 50 antennas. In order to achieve the maximum reflected power, scatter MIMO has to ensure all the reflected paths are combined constructively at the user. How can we ensure the reflected paths combine constructively? For that, we used a 2-bit phase shifter at each antenna to modify the phase of the reflected signal. The smart surface has to learn the optimal phase setting to be applied on each antenna for constructive combining. A 2-bit phase shifter can take four possible phase values, and a brute force search would require trying out 4 power 50 phase combinations for 50 antennas, which will take an entire lifetime to evaluate. Scatter MIMO introduces a novel algorithm with which it can find the best possible phase combination using just 3 CSA measurements, regardless of number of antennas on it. With this approach, Scatter MIMO can adapt to user's location in real time. Please refer to the paper for more details about our algorithm. We evaluated Scatter MIMO using off-the-shelf Quantenna Wi-Fi APs. In our experiments, we keep the smart surface 50 centimeter away from the transmitter AP and test the performance of smart surface in multiple office environments. Our experiments reveal that scatter MIMO can achieve a throughput gain of 2 times in more than 50% of the cases. At locations with poor coverage areas, the smart surface provides up to 4x throughput gain. We compare against prior work, RFocus that has latency up to thousands of packets. Liar's algorithm latency is 72 packets, but is limited to just 8 meters of coverage. Scatter MIMO is the first work to propose a low latency algorithm that requires only 3 packets to provide high throughput and a coverage up to 45 meters. Thus, Scatter MIMO can double your Wi-Fi throughput using a simple passive surface of antennas hanging on your wall. Thank you.